Hello there! Welcome to this tutorial about the embroidery heart card. Take a sheet of grid paper and draw a heart shape sideways. You can find the dimensions that I used on my blog. There's also a printable template available over there. The blog hyperlink can be found in the video description. Cut out a square around the heart shape. Grab a blank card and unfold it. Attach the heart shape to the card front by using paper clips. Pierce the heart shape along the edge, except for the spot where the heart arches come together. I use a drafting compass, as you can see, but a needle can also do the job. Remove the heart-shaped paper. It's time to stitch the card. Take a needle and red thread and start stitching. Either start stitching from the left or right heart side. You could do the stitching process in several steps. Just cut the thread after stitching a few rows and put sticky tape or blank stickers on both thread ends on the card inside. Some heart border parts aren't stitched yet, because they don't appear in the left and right diagonal parts. You can stitch them individually now. The card inside doesn't look really pretty now because of the thread ends, so let's cover that up with red paper. Attach double-sided adhesive tape on all sides of the card inside. Then put a piece of red paper on it and carefully remove the excessive paper with a craft knife. Your embroidery heart card is ready now. Thank you for watching this tutorial. For more inspiration, check out my other video tutorials and blog. Happy crafting!